Your line runs fast. Decisions happen in seconds, and most of them still depend on what someone sees. Is it assembled correctly? Is that a defect? Is the process behaving normally? These calls are constant, high impact, and inconsistent. Your MES tracks machines, your sensors track signals, but nothing is capturing what operators see. And that gap is where defects, rework, and delays start. Claro connects your plant floor, your systems, and your data, so decisions don't depend on guesswork. We don't replace what you have, we make it work together. And we focus on outcomes that show up on the line. We turn visual inspection into a system. Cameras monitor production the same way experienced operators do, continuously, consistently, and at line speed. They detect what matters: assembly errors, surface defects, process anomalies, safety risks. And that visual data feeds back into your MES, so your system doesn't just track production, it understands what's actually happening. Problems don't show up at the end of the shift, they show up in real time. Defects are identified instantly, issues are isolated before they spread. You move from reacting to problems to controlling them as they happen. Your plant depends on systems working together: machines, networks, cloud platforms, and applications. Claro provides secure, reliable connectivity across all of it, so data moves where it needs to go, systems stay online, and operations don't stop when something changes. Most attacks don't start on the plant floor, but they end there. Legacy OT systems can't always be patched, so instead of relying on updates, we monitor behavior in real time, detecting anomalies early and stopping threats before they disrupt production. Experience is hard to replace. Claro helps you scale it. Technicians get real-time guidance, experts can support remotely, knowledge stays in the system, not just in someone's head. Most vendors solve one piece of the problem. Claro connects the full operation, from the plant floor to the systems that run the business. You can start where the need is greatest and expand as your operation evolves. One partner, accountable for outcomes that matter on the line. If your systems can't see what's happening on your line, you're operating with blind spots. Claro closes that gap. Start with one line. Scale across your operation.